Hello guys, welcome to the channel once again, and let me introduce you to the Dotcoin once again. And claiming Dotcoin is just like claiming notcoin or TapSwap. Okay, so this one is also on Telegram, and once you have the Telegram app, you can join the Dotcoin. So all you have to do is to be tapping, okay, to be tapping on your screen to claim everything from here. Okay, so I have 6 left, so let me claim all of that and show you another thing. Actually, there are many ways to earn from here also. Okay, so just be tapping on your screen very fast to claim everything from here. So I have just one left. Let me claim it fast and show you another thing. Okay, so I'm done claiming, and this is just like the notcoin and the TapSwap. You can boost from here, and then you can click on this earning or earn button, and then it will bring you here. So you can actually complete the tax over here, okay, to earn additional coins. So, and you can also earn from inviting your friends. Okay, you can invite friends to earn more of the Dotcoin. So let me go back. Okay, and this is another thing you can do. Okay, so this is my balance, 145,000. Okay, you can come here, game times 2. Okay, so when you click on this, you can double your coin. Okay, so this is the amount of coin you want to double. You are gambling with your coin right here. Okay, so it says try your luck to double your coins and level up even faster. Doubling probability is 99%. So let me just try and click on double and see. Okay, before then, look at the balance. Okay, and let's do the doubling. Okay, so I won. So as you can see, my balance has grown. Okay, so that's that. You can also try and then double your coins and see what happens. If you win, your balance goes up. If you lose this, they will deduct they will deduct you. Okay, so that's that. If you are not on the Dotcoin, just the link is in the description of this video. Just click on it to join, and then claim some Dotcoin for yourself. Okay, it will be going live very soon. Thanks and bye.